data annotation and its crucial role in machine learning. At its core, data annotation involves labeling raw data to provide context and meaning for machines. It's like adding signposts to a road, helping AI algorithms navigate and understand the information they receive. Text annotation involves labeling textual data, such as documents or emails with relevant tags or categories. This is essential for tasks like sentiment analysis and text classification. Image annotation is the process of adding metadata or labels to images, identifying objects or regions of interest within the image. Techniques include bounding boxes and semantic segmentation, crucial for computer vision tasks. Audio annotation involves labeling audio recordings with descriptive tags, such as speech recognition transcripts or sound event detection. This is essential for applications like virtual assistants and speech-to-text systems. Data annotation powers various machine learning applications, including predictive modeling, natural language processing, and computer vision. It's the backbone of AI development, enabling machines to make informed decisions and predictions. Advancements in AI are driving the development of automated annotation tools, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Data annotation is the unsung hero of AI development, laying the groundwork for intelligent systems that power our everyday lives. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for details.